Hello. Today I'd like to talk to you about the MemSQL Kafka connector for Confluent. The MemSQL sync connector allows you to exchange data from Kafka to your MemSQL cluster. To find the MemSQL connector, browse to confluent.io/hub and search the Confluent hub for MemSQL. You'll be presented with the screen in front of you. You'll note there are two installation paths for the MemSQL Kafka connector. You can download the installation zip file and extract it into one of the directories that are listed on the Connect Workers plugin path configuration properties. Or you can take an easier path and copy this Confluent Hub CLI command, and it will install the MemSQL Kafka connector. Now I copied this and I ran this on my Confluent test cluster, accepting all of the default installation questions. Let's browse over to the Confluent Control Center. On my Confluent test cluster, we're going to browse to Connect and click on our cluster name, and you see I already have two MemSQL connectors defined, but I want to add a connector. I select the MemSQL sync connector. I select the topic that I want to subscribe to, which is songs. I can name this. And once I name it, you'll see that a wide variety of properties pop up for you to populate as needed. Now, rather than populate those in this demo, I'm going to show you a MemSQL sync connector that I've already defined. Browse back to connectors and click on MemSQL official songs and look at settings. So again, I've selected the songs topic. I've named it MemSQL official songs. I've defined the converter classes to be the Apache Kafka JSON converters. And here I've defined my DDL endpoint as my MemSQL Helios test cluster. I've added a few additional properties. Now, this MemSQL sync connector should be connected up to the songs topic and writing messages that arrive on that topic to a MemSQL database called test. We're going to go over and look at our topics. While we're doing that, we're going to go over to MemSQL. And here in the Helios Studio console, we're going to run this select query and see that there are no rows in the songs table and no messages on the queue. Here I have a JSON file with 10 songs, and we're going to load this to the songs topic. Go back here, you'll see in the topic that those 10 messages have popped up. We'll go over to MemSQL Studio, execute again, and there you go. And the number one song is Rick Astley's Never Gonna Give You Up, so I guess we've been rickrolled. But in a few easy steps, we've managed to install the MemSQL Kafka connector for Confluent. We've defined a MemSQL connector in the Confluent Control Center, connected it to a topic and to a MemSQL endpoint, thrown 10 songs out onto Kafka. The connector has picked them up and landed them in MemSQL. And it's that easy to integrate Confluent with your MemSQL cluster. If you have any questions, please go to docs.memsql.com and refer to the Confluent integration guide. Thanks.